Bollywood Bubble Live. This is your host Rishti Pathak, and it's going to be the leggy beauty Karishma Tanna joining us today in this live conversation. So I'm going to quickly add her here once I see her live.
Hi.
Hi, we finally have you here.
I'm so sorry for the sorry बोलना चाहूंगी मैं अपने कोको को पास लेकर जाना था suddenly come at 5 o'clock that's the only slot available कोई time available है so I had to cancel doctor
That's okay. Obviously, pets first. Pets first.
I had to go buy grocery और घर के लिए और फिर my mom's back hurts and ये जो है वो उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा काम just that.
It's like just some of us only talking because we all have these issues ना grocery लाना है ये करना है because it's काम तो हो नहीं रहा आजकल अब
बाहर कोई जा नहीं सकता ड्राइव करके जाना पड़ता है घर में सामान तो इनफैक्ट लॉकडाउन में काम
right. So I also wanted to ask you, so now that it's a lockdown, we're all getting time to spend with our families. लेकिन इसी दौरान काफी लोग इंडस्ट्री को छोड़ के जा चुके हैं. We've lost a lot of people. Rishi ji, Irfan ji, today Basu Chatterjee ji, and a few people have also committed suicide, depression में जाके. And we, being at home, can't do anything about this. We can't go meet their families. We can't do anything. What's your take on this when it comes to suiciding?
I mean, see, I would say that it's really sad that a human being has to take this kind of step. Imagine the kind of depression that person must be going through to actually take that their life. You know? मतलब आप इतनी बुरी स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में होते हो उस वक्त आप अपने आप को मार सकते हो मतलब आप कितने डिप्रेशन में हो और कितने अकेले हो और लाइक पैसे नहीं है काम नहीं है तो अब हम क्या करें कि हम अपनी जान ले लें जान लेना इज यू हैव टू बी तो आई वुड प्लीज जो भी हमारे एक्टिव नॉर्मल लोग भी अपना नहीं तो अपने माँ बाप का ख्याल रखें क्योंकि आपके माँ बाप ने बहुत प्यार से आपको किया है आपकी माँ ने आपको 9 में तो उनके बारे में तो सोचना पड़ेगा कि अगर आप डिप्रेस हो भी तो माँ बाप के बारे में सोचना उनका जो सपोर्ट सिस्टम है वो बिखर जाएगा तो डोंट डू इट आई एम वेरी श्योर कि भगवान कुछ रास्ता भगवान सबकी सुनता है प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट डू नॉट
I'm sure people who are listening to you will listen to you. I also wanted to ask you, you're one such beauty who's been on the television as well as films. So I'm sure all your fans always want to know ki, what is it that is coming up. Were you doing any film or anything that you had to keep aside?
Yes, I had and I was doing on film but 2020 हो रहा था पर because of the lockdown but hopefully 2021 में सब कुछ रिज्यूम हो
And I want to ask you सबसे happening topic पे जो आजकल चर्चा हो रही है वो है TikTok versus YouTube. So I'm sure people are very opinionative and they will message you कि आप क्यों हो but everybody has their own choices which people don't understand. But when you got to know कि ये सब हो रहा है कि people are fighting two completely different platforms are fighting which is baseless, what did you react to this?
Don't get into fighting. I feel if I'm liking one, if I don't like that app, I'll delete. But if right now TikTok is keeping me entertained, keeping my fans entertained, except a few, keeping my friends entertained, some of my friends go on TikTok, and I've come TikTok like 2-3 months back, max 2-3 months. अभी मैं आई हूँ लोग तो मतलब कब से सालों से है,
जी 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 जी
तो जितना सीख रही हूँ उतना मैं कर रही हूँ। एंड आई फील बहुत कमेंट्स आते नीचे, बैन टिकटॉक और चाइनीज ऐप है, आप हमारा साथ नहीं देते हो। आई जस्ट फील जिसको जो करना है इतना बड़ा कोविड आ गया है, इतना बड़ा कोरोना वायरस फैल गया है, उसके बाद भी किसी को सीख मिली है कि आप अपना करो, आप अपनी जान बचाओ और लोगों के लाइफ में दखल अंदाजी मत करो। हम
जी
आर्टिस्ट है, हम है, हमें स्पेस है, उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हमारी ओपिनियन है, हमारा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पता है कि इट्स अ चाइनीज ऐप, बट आई एम एंजॉयिंग doing TikTok. So if I want to delete, I will delete. If I don't want to delete, I will not delete. It's my account, my Instagram, it's my rule. It will go my way. Simple.
my TikTok is my TikTok, it's none of your TikTok.
Be TikTok or any other thing. But I will also YouTube and make a page or whatever and do it. It's on me. Whenever I want to do it. कोई पब्लिक के प्रेशर में आकर कुछ नहीं करता।
Absolutely, absolutely. अच्छा, talking about 2020 now. पहले कोरोना आ गया, then there was this cyclone happened in Kerala, then in Bombay, then there was earthquake that was also said. So there is things happening and the news is not just stopping. If you had to describe this year, how would you?
My God, 2020 it's a roller coaster. I mean, from natural calamity, virus, hailstorm in other countries, to cyclone, to killing of animals, um, hungry animals. Today, everybody I'm talking about. I mean, a bad year. But to an extent, लग रहा है कि I have started. I would not say enjoying, but I have started adapting lockdown for some reason. मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है कि ट्रैफिक नहीं है, मुझे लगता है कि बर्ड्स फाइन, मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है कि हवा को फ्रेशनेस है, उससे जब मैं ट्रैफिक में रुकना नहीं पड़ता है, पॉटहोल्स ज्यादा नहीं है, हॉर्न की आवाज ज्यादा नहीं है, तो नॉइज पोल्यूशन नहीं हो रहा है, तो मुझे ना ये लॉकडाउन में लगी हूँ। अच्छा भी लगने लगा है कि लॉकडाउन हुआ ताकि भारत में या तो पूरे वर्ल्ड को भागम भाग का रेस था ना, वो थोड़ा थम गया है। तो अब इसका कि फास्ट लाइफ हम लोग बोलते हैं, फास्ट लाइफ है,
जी जी
अब
जी
हम को भी अडेप्ट कर सकते हैं, हम इसके साथ भी स्लो लाइफ को अडेप्ट कर सकते हैं। ह्यूमन बीइंग्स कैन अडेप्ट एवरीथिंग इफ गिवन सिचुएशन, you know.
right.
So I am very happy that we are adapting this situation, and if worse comes to worse, it cancer also. So I'm kind of happy so that
So
but this jhatka, everybody should have got it and got it.
absolutely, and I hope everybody takes it as positively as you have been taking it, and we get inspired by each other's good deeds. Now, without taking सबसे ज़्यादा of your time, lastly, tell me which is the question that you hate the most, and सब लोग पूछते हैं, मैंने तो नहीं पूछा, I'm sure.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी का विनर कौन है? मैं बता हूँ कि हम लोगों को नहीं पता होता है कि खतरों के खिलाड़ी का विनर कौन है, क्योंकि फिनाले हुआ ही नहीं है।
right.
होगा तो कैसे रोहित सर बताए कौन विनर है, कौन लीडर है, कौन बताए? हमने फाइनल स्टंट कर लिया है, पर जो टाइमिंग है ना वो उनके फोन में होता है, उनके पास होता है, by the channel where they don't tell the artist, only the channel, so we don't know who the winner is and the deserve.
Okay, then. So before we wrap this up, we'll quickly take a look at these fan questions if there are some interesting ones.
Hi everybody, you all कैसे हैं आप लोग? अगर कोई questions है आपके तो please पूछिए।
There was one question before you came जिन्होंने पूछा था कि आप मुंबई में कहाँ रहते हो?
मैं मुंबई में एक्चुअली साउथ हूँ, पर बिकॉज ऑफ माय वर्क मैं अंधेरी वेस्ट में.
And I also had, matlab, when you were not connected to us, there was this question that had come that we saw a picture of you with Rohit Shetty sir. Will he happen to get you in a film and then we get to see you in a Rohit Shetty film?
वही कर सकते हो और साथ आप लोग दुआ करिए.
Of course. Okay. So any more questions?
You want to ask?
Yeah. Everyone's gonna have the same thing na, skin kaise acha hua ye wo, which we've seen like a lot of, we've seen it in all your lives. And
How's my dog? My Coco is absolutely fine. Hi Patil Aryan. Bollywood bubble is saying see. You are saying.
so okay, so we'll just take a few 5-6 lucky names as a shout out and
I love South.
South Indian.
क्या है मेरी क्वालिफिकेशन? एमकॉम छोड़ दिया इसलिए 1 साल करने के बाद एजुकॉम फर्स्ट.
Any more interesting that you can see?
Hi गर्भ राठौर. Hi Vijay Rawat.
Somebody is asking हार्दिक पांड्या बाप बन गए, कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत बुरा लगा. And I'm very happy for him and Sasha.
But tell me honestly, don't you really burst out laughing when you see funny vague questions coming your way out of nowhere?
It makes us laugh that someone's asking me, are you missing? I'm definitely missing acting. I really want to act. तो कभी-कभी लगता है कि मैं अकेले act करना चालू कर दूंगी because I'm really missing saying my dialogues. I want to go back on set. I want to be in front of the camera.
So like they say ना, अभी कहा जा रहा है कि धीरे धीरे अनलॉक हो रहा है सब कुछ. So hopefully we get to see you back on the sets, so we could come and interview you personally. And
Hi. आप शादी कब करोगी? आप जब लड़का ढूंढने शादी करोगी पक्का.
Okay. Any other questions? Do you want to speak out on?
Hi Aryan. Shivan is a dear friend. Someone's asked me Shivan. What about Shivan? Shivan is a dear friend. And बहुत मजे किए. See, so many people are saying that my TikTok videos are so fun. Thank you.
And especially the ones in the baby face.
I'm saying जिसको नहीं please ना देखो. Simple.
Acha, say something for your fans in the baby face, no, for us.
Hi, my fans. How are you? I miss you.
So cute. So cute. Okay, so we won't be taking a lot of your time now. I'm so happy and so glad that you made it a count to come live with us. Thank you, Karishma.
See you. Bye, guys.
See you. Stay safe. Bye. So guys, that was Karishma Tanna with us. I hope you all liked the conversation. Also, stay hooked on here. हम दोबारा live आएंगे. And yeah, meanwhile, stay home and stay safe. This was your host Trishti Pathak signing off.